We're looking for zombies all around. Look over there, what do we see? Is it a zombie behind that tree? No, it's just a squirrel hopping by. Phew, what a relief. Oh my, we're on a zombie hunt. Here we go, step by step, nice and slow. Through the forest into the night, let's find those zombies, what a sight. Did you hear that? A spooky creak. Is it a zombie or just a squeak? Shh, don't worry, it's just the wind. On this hunt we'll surely win. We're going on a zombie hunt, don't be scared. With our friends we're well prepared. Through the meadow, past the lake, looking for zombies wide awake. Look in the cave, is one inside? Nope, just shadows trying to hide. We laugh and giggle, no need to fear. The zombies aren't even near. Whoa. Let's search the haunted house, so tall. Maybe we'll find one after all. But wait, what's that? Is it a ghost? No, just a curtain waving close. We're on a zombie hunt, what a quest. Together with friends, we're the best. Flashlights shining, eyes open wide. Zombies, nope, there's none to hide. Did you see that? Was it a glow? Or just the moonlight soft and slow? We laugh and shout, the night is clear. No zombies lurking far or near. We're going on a zombie hunt, what a ride. Marching forward, hip hip hooray. Through the woods and down the hill, looking for zombies, we're brave and still. But what's that sound? A rustling leaf. Is it a zombie? Oh, good grief. Wait, it's just a cat sneaking by. Not a zombie, no need to cry. We're on a zombie hunt, what a ride. With each other by our side. Through the night we search with cheer, hunting zombies, but they're not here. We check the hills, we check the park. No zombies seen, not even in the dark. It's time to head home, safe and sound. No zombies were ever found. Now it's time to rest and say good night to the spooky day. Dream of zombies, but don't you fear, they'll stay away.